Kum Shibynta bandon ke jingiatrelang ke bajan hapdeng ki bor synshar district ki pulit ki Nongthoh Khubor khamtam ban diengkhong ki sniew smeh bat ban pynphriang ke Khubor halor ke jingma drok bat kiwei ki jingdih buaid ban pynjur ke jingkilan met ke ophis u deputy commissioner ke Ri Bhoi District u ke ophis u Superintendent of Police ryngkat bat ki Nongthoh Khubor ke Ri Bhoi District Lashai ke khandai tarik unai kin penlong ke Ialehkai Phutbol Paralok Hamadan NSCA Pahamsyiem naduk kapor lai beje janmit.
It gives me very profound pleasure to announce that we are going to have a friendly football match with the team of District Administration Ri Bhoi and the media team at Pahamsyiem Stadium in Nongthoh. So the idea behind this friendly match is to create a lot of awareness regarding the social ills, issues like domestic violence, the drug abuse, and to bring together the youth and the people of Ri Bhoi to fight this menace that we are having in our society. And again, at a time that in the last month itself, Ri Bhoi being an aspirational district, we have secured Delta rank 3rd at the all India level. So I think this is the best time to have this kind of a meeting and this kind of a friendly match, so that we can commemorate this thing and we can provide due support to the media and acknowledge the fact that the important role that they play in taking the message to the people and creating social awareness and being a partner in the development of the whole district. Thank you so much, and I appeal all of you, please come in large numbers and be a part of this program to make it a grand success.
I'm very happy to announce that Office of the Superintendent of Police Ri Bhoi District, along with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi District, is organizing a friendly football match with the fourth pillar of democracy, that is the media, in which the Ri Bhoi media team will participate, and we'll have a friendly match. And this main reason we are organizing this match is that media, being a very important organ, our district administration as well as the police, we look forward to work with them against all the anti-social elements and social ills prevailing in the society. And the joint team will also take a pledge against drugs, POCSO Act and other social ills in the Pahamsyiem ground on 9th September at 3 o'clock. I appeal to the people of Ri Bhoi to kindly join us in the friendly football match so that it will be an awareness as well as a drive against all these types of ills. And we look forward to work with media further and hope this match will go a long way ahead in spreading awareness among the public. Thank you.